Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Experian to freeze your credit file step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Experian website. Locate the option for credit freeze within the site. Click on the link to access the credit freeze application. If you are not already a registered user, select the option to create an account. Fill out the required personal information, including your name and email address. Create a secure password for your account. You will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click the link provided in the email to verify your account. Return to the Experian website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Credit Freeze section. Provide your personal details, including your social security number, date of birth, and address. Confirm your identity by answering the security questions prompted on the screen. Review the information you've provided to ensure it is accurate. Submit your request to freeze your credit file. You will receive a notification confirming that your credit file has been frozen. Keep the confirmation details in a safe place for future reference. You can unfreeze your credit file at any time by following similar steps on the Experian website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.